Minglawa, DVD Maro, past continuous tense Jambo, Shimbia Bigo. Past continuous tense for Boluchinima, don't you unless here. A day chain Galadaku, Doma, Sele, Chipwani, Lonely Harry Masia, past continuous tense for Doma. To a sentence stretch aliado subjects was or were black fire. I, he, she, it subject name was fire plus fire. You, we, he, she, it. The child subject were black fire. Do don't want me a chin name uses the Shiva. A day ma a chain gala the Kugoma select one name the past continuous tense for Dono Yaba. Uma at 10 o'clock last night I was sleeping. Now the group a day ma the cuckoo pin needle, the chataku, Pieto get a carbury mazole, don't know. I was walking home while it started to rain. Now, take a long name. Chinkala the Kuduma Naku behind Pieto behind Pieni Harry was only Dono Uma, he was reading while she was cooking. The storytelling was only a Dono. Chini Pobia and no. The birds were singing and the sun was shining. The Balurima Matonia Valeso. Oh, I was go to school and the Dolomia. Don't you know so? I was going to. Was the number 5 that's all. I was going to school here. They were playing football. They were playing football here. Tabina Leon Biobiamas, no? I was reading a book last night. She was sleeping when I arrived. They were playing football yesterday afternoon. She was writing a letter at the time. The sun was shining and the bus was sinking. Negative was a lochiness or no. Was or were ne fire engine a jarima, no later. A dugon in it was an weren't no legiluia, was not, were not no legilua. I wasn't doing my homework at that time. They weren't playing outside yesterday. He wasn't sleeping when I called. We weren't watching that movie. She wasn't cooking dinner. Question ဝကြလို့ချင်တယ်ဆိုတော့လွယ်ပါတယ်သူရဲ့ structure လေးကတော့ was were ကိုရှိကို subject ရှိကိုပို့လိုက်ရပါမယ် subject ရဲ့နောက်မှာတော့ ing လိုက်ပြီးရပါတယ်နောက်ဆုံးမှာတော့ question mark ထည့်ပေးလိုက်ဒါဆိုရင် example sentence လေးတွေလုပ်ကြည့်အောင် Was he reading a book when you arrived? Were they playing football at the time? Was she reading the subjects last night? Were they studying yesterday? Was he crying when you saw her? ဒါဆိုလို့ရှိရင်နားလည်နိုင်မယ်လို့ထင်ပါတယ်သူရဲ့ sentence structure လေးကတော့ subject was or were plus ing ပါသူရဲ့အသုံးပြရတဲ့အခြေအနေလေးကတော့အသိအချင်းကာလတစ်ခုအတွင်းမှာဆက်လက်လုပ်နေရတယ်ဖြစ်ပွားနေရတယ်ကိုသုံးပါတယ်ထပ်ပြီးနားလည်အောင်ဥပမာပေးရမယ်ဆိုရင်တော့ I was teaching when you called me yesterday. Thank you.